Ever woken up after a night of partying with a pounding headache, dry mouth, and a stomach doing backflips? Yep, that awful feeling is what we call a hangover. But what's really going on inside your body and brain? Stick around, because here on Knowledge Hub, we're breaking down the science and biochemistry of hangovers. And trust me, it's wilder than you think. A hangover, also called visalgia, is the body's way of telling you, that was too much alcohol, buddy. It hits you with symptoms like headache, nausea, fatigue, dizziness, dehydration, brain fog, and sometimes existential dread. Okay, time to zoom into your body. When you drink alcohol, a whole biochemical mess unfolds behind the scenes. Let's break it down. Alcohol, or ethanol, is processed in your liver. First, an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase converts ethanol into a much nastier chemical called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is toxic. It damages your proteins, DNA, and causes oxidative stress. Not fun. Luckily, your body quickly turns it into a harmless compound, acetate, using another enzyme called aldehyde dehydrogenase. But not everyone does this efficiently, and that's where genetics come in. More on that later. Alcohol blocks vasopressin, a hormone that helps your body retain water. Without it, your kidneys go rogue. You pee more and lose vital fluids. Facts. One drink will up to my 120 milliliters extra urine lost. This is why your mouth feels like the Sahara and your brain feels like it shrank. Because it kinda did due to fluid loss. Alcohol increases GABA, a calming neurotransmitter, and suppresses glutamate, which normally keeps you alert. That's why you feel relaxed, and maybe a bit too honest. But when the alcohol wears off, the brain overreacts. Glutamate surges, causing anxiety, poor sleep, and irritability. This is what some people call hangxiety. Alcohol can block your liver from making glucose. The result, low blood sugar, which makes you feel weak, sweaty, and mentally foggy. Drinking triggers the release of cytokines, proteins that cause inflammation. They mess with your brain, immune system, and gut. Not all hangovers are created equal. Some people have a gene mutation in ALDH2, the enzyme that breaks down acetaldehyde. That mutation makes the hangover effect stronger and faster, common in East Asian populations. And it's not just the alcohol itself. Darker drinks like brandy, whiskey, and red wine contain more congeners, chemical byproducts that intensify hangovers. Here at Knowledge Hub, we believe prevention is better than recovery. So here's the science-backed hangover checklist. Hydrate, alternate alcohol with water. Eat beforehand. Food slows alcohol absorption. Avoid mixing drinks. Simpler is safer. Sleep well. Let your body recover. Electrolytes and sugar. Replenish lost nutrients. And maybe skip that mysterious jungle juice next time. A hangover is your body's full system alarm. Liver, brain, immune system, kidneys, all screaming help. Understanding the biochemistry helps us respect what our bodies go through. It's not just a punishment, it's science in action. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe,